Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play the paintball game on iMessage. Open your iMessage conversation to start playing games with your friends. Ensure your device and friends have iMessage enabled and install the GamePigeon app bundle. First, download the GamePigeon app from the App Store. To download, tap the plus button next to the message box, swipe down, and tap on Store. Search and download the GamePigeon app bundle. If already installed, open or find the Game Pegion under the plus icon beside the message box. Tap on the More option and then select the GamePigeon app. You will see multiple games. Tap on the Paintball Game and hit the Send button to send the game request to your friend. Your friend will receive a notification message to play the Paintball Game. So, after accepting your game request conversation, the first turn to play the game will take the opponent. Aim and move from your position, then hit the fire button to shoot the paintball at the target. Now it's your turn. Take turns and alter the power and angle of your shot by sliding your finger on the screen. Aim for your opponent's target and keep your target safe. The walls can help you hit more targets if you bounce your shots off them. When the time or paintballs run out, the game is over. The player who has the most points is the winner. I hope this video helps you play the paintball game on iMessage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.